Today, the world's population over the age of 60 is 605 million. By 2050, this population is projected to reach 2 billion. While it's good news that people are living longer, the number of older adults who will be affected by long-term chronic conditions will increase, leading to serious economic consequences as healthcare costs rise. Greater demand for care, but less income to support it. A new Pfizer-sponsored report from the Economist Intelligence Unit, Preventive Care and Healthy Aging, A Global Perspective, explored what developed and developing countries are doing to promote preventive care for aging populations, the barriers they face in doing so, and the results they're seeing from their efforts. The report, which profiles 8 countries, found that governments investing in preventive care programs focusing on exercise, nutrition, health screenings and vaccination can help reduce rising healthcare costs. The report also concludes that immunization is one of the most cost-effective preventive measures for older people. However, the measure is vastly underused due to structural and social barriers. Global healthcare reforms, increased mobility, and evolving attitudes mean that governments must foot the bill for caring for their older citizens, and these governments are finding it difficult to keep up with the rise in chronic conditions, since to date, most healthcare systems have focused on treating acute illness. In developing countries where they lack the funding, technology, infrastructure and trained workers needed to offer basic medical services, preventive care measures are seen as an unaffordable luxury. Overall, aging populations will result in an identical problem for developed and developing countries. They will have greater demand for healthcare services, given their aging populations, but less income to support them. It's vital that companies, organizations, governments, and public health bodies work together to ensure barriers are eliminated to allow for the healthy aging of society. We will only be successful if preventive care programs are supported by all stakeholders and integrated into national healthcare systems. At Pfizer, we encourage people of all ages to take positive steps to add healthy years to their lives and play an active role in addressing the health challenges facing them and society.